In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a sticker in Facebook Messenger. First, open Messenger on your Android phone. Find the Messenger app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it once. When it opens, you should see your list of recent conversations, each with a name or group title on the left and a preview of the latest message on the right. At the top, there is usually a search bar and your profile picture, which confirms you are in the main Messenger screen, not inside another app. Now, open a chat, tap on any conversation from the list to enter it. When the chat opens, you will see the message history in the middle of the screen, with your messages aligned on one side and the other person or group on the opposite side. At the bottom, you should see the message box where you normally type, along with several small icons around it. If you accidentally open the wrong chat, just use the back button and pick a different one. Next, tap the smiley face or sticker icon beside the message box. This icon usually sits directly to the left of where you type your message, and it may look like a simple smiley face or a little sticker symbol. When you tap it, the bottom part of the screen changes. The keyboard may slide down, and a panel appears with different options for expressive content. This lets you switch from typing words to sending visual items. From there, tap Stickers. In this panel, you will likely see tabs or small icons for emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Look for the word stickers, or an icon that looks like a square sticker with a folded corner. When you tap stickers, the panel updates, showing rows of small cartoon images. These are organized into packs, which you can scroll horizontally or vertically, depending on your version of Messenger. If the screen does not change, tap stickers again to make sure it is selected. With the stickers panel open, choose a sticker. Take a moment to scroll through the different sticker packs at the bottom or side of the panel. Each pack usually has its own theme, like animals, reactions, or funny characters. Tap a pack icon to see the stickers inside it. As you look through them, imagine how each one will appear in the conversation, because the exact image you tap is what will be sent. A common beginner mistake is tapping too quickly and sending something unexpected, so move slowly until you recognize the designs. Finally, tap the sticker to send it. Once you tap a sticker, you do not need to press any extra send button. Messenger sends it instantly into the chat. You will see the sticker appear right away in the conversation history, aligned on your side, just like a regular message. The other person can view it immediately, and you can send more stickers by tapping additional ones from the panel. To go back to typing, simply tap in the message box, and your keyboard will return. You have just learned how to open a chat in Messenger. Pick from the sticker panel and send a sticker message. If this helped you get comfortable sending stickers, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Messenger tips.